Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Health P326. It is a mid-wheel drive power wheelchair with suspension. We have the standard option in red and the option with the upgraded elevating seat in blue on the right. The elevated version extends up to 9 inches. And we're going to go over some of the specs, take you on a test drive. I'm not going to go over every single spec. If you want to see a full specification list, stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll throw it on the screen for you, along with a hidden message that will give you access to an exclusive discount code only available in this video. So make sure you pay attention towards the end and see if you can spot that hidden message. Now, this chair can support up to 300 pounds, can travel up to 18 miles on a full charge, and has a top speed of 5 miles per hour. There's several seat options. You have an 18-inch wide seat, a 20-inch wide seat, and a pan-style seat as well. You can get up to 135 degrees of recline on the seat, and the backrest does fold completely flat for convenient transportation as well. What I really like about it is it does have tension-adjustable suspension coils. It also has really knobby 10-inch drive tires, which are going to make it perform really well in various terrain types. The footplate's also really nice. It's height adjustable, depth adjustable, flips up and down. The footplate's actually rated for 250 pounds, so someone can actually stand on the footplate and the rear wheels won't even leave the ground. It's super stable. That's one of the best things about it. So as you can see, this is a mid-wheel drive power wheelchair with a pretty standard joystick controller that has a horn, a power button, and some speed modes. The charging port's actually located on the front side of the joystick controller underneath the joystick. You just plug the charger right in there to charge your battery. The armrests are height adjustable, width adjustable, and they also flip up. The joystick, again, is a pretty standard joystick. If you get the elevating upgrade, you will have some buttons to work with to raise and lower the seat with an operating range of 9 inches. So you can go up 9 inches and reach the midnight snack cookies that your significant other hides from you in the cabinets up above. At least that's what my significant other does. And that's what I would use this for. The seat is made out of a moisture wicking type of fabric. It does have a headrest, full captain's chair with an adjustable headrest. And if you don't know about Health, they're known for having some really dependable products, and they're pretty affordable too compared to some of the other brands out there. In the back here, you've got your 2 red levers to disengage the automatic braking system. Big powerful motors on this thing too. You do also have a storage pouch in the back and a 1-inch hitch receiver for accessories like a rear cage style basket. Now on the standard version that doesn't have the elevating seat, you actually can rotate the seat, and there's a secondary lever that will allow you to slide the seat forward and back just a bit to get, a little bit more positioning. Being able to slide that seat forward and back helps a lot. You can see the joystick's a little more simplistic on the standard version without the elevating seat. Same thing as far as the motors, the levers for the brakes, the seat style. You can get a pan style seat. So if you have any kind of like specialized seat cushion, I know there's a lot of like Roho seat cushions with some pretty cool material. You can get the base pan seat to put your own cushion on, and a lot of customers enjoy doing that. This chair has a really tight turning radius with a 20-inch turning radius, so it's going to be excellent for indoor use as well as outdoor use, especially in tight places. If you're in an apartment or you don't really have a lot of space in your living room to get in between the furniture and the table, dining table, etc., this thing is very, very responsive, very easy to control with the mid-wheel drive setup. It takes a little practice, but once you get used to it, it's very maneuverable. So we're going to take you on a little test drive and show you what it's like from a first-person view angle. We're going to go out the door here and take it for a little ride outdoors. It has no problem making its way through doorways. If you've never owned an electric wheelchair before, I would recommend starting off in the slow speed setting. We do actually have a tutorial video and educational video. It's a great educational resource for those that are purchasing an electric wheelchair for the first time. It's going to teach you how to save money and make the best educated purchasing decision you could make based off of your needs, where you're going to use it, your budget, and a lot more. So if you go to our YouTube channel, you can find it there. I'm also going to put the link in the top right-hand corner of the screen for a second if you want to go ahead and check that out, and I'll put the link in the description of this video. So here we are going on the asphalt in the parking lot. Obviously, it's going to perform just fine on flat surfaces, pavement, carpet, you name it, it's going to do fine if it's flat, hard surface. Now, if you get into going on grass, on gravel, and on dirt, which a lot of our customers do, you can also be confident that this model is going to perform very well. Now, before we go ahead, I do want to take the time to say thank you so much for watching our videos and for supporting our YouTube channel. We couldn't do it without you folks. And I'm not sure if you know this, but part of every sale goes towards funding our community donation program. We give away scooters left and right to people that can't afford them. A lot of the time, these individuals are homeless. Some of them just can't afford a scooter or a wheelchair. They're getting around with a manual wheelchair or a walker or even a cane, and they're just struggling. We show up and we bless them with a free mobility device. And if you want to be a part of that, all you have to do is shop at Mobility Direct or tell someone you know that may need a mobility device to shop at Mobility Direct. You could also share this video or our website, mobilitydirect.com, on your Facebook page if you have one. That would mean a lot to us. Together, we can make a difference, one mobility device at a time. Now let's get back to the first-person view test drive with the Merit Vision Power Wheelchair. So as you can see, it's performing very, very well outdoors. We have taken it on grass, on dirt, on gravel, and it also performs very well. Now, it's not an off-road, all-terrain vehicle. I wouldn't recommend going on the beach. I wouldn't recommend going in mud. You want to keep these products clean. But if you need to traverse over some grass or a little patch of dirt or mulch, as long as it's hard, compact dirt, mulch, grass, you should be fine. Now, if you're getting into like really soft grass that hasn't been mowed in a while, you might struggle a little bit. With that being said, this chair is very affordable, great bang for your buck. If you have any questions about it, reach out to our non-commissioned sales team. They'd love to answer any questions that you may have. And again, towards the end of the video coming up soon, we're going to put a full specification list on the screen along with that hidden message. I hope you spot it. Thanks so much for watching this video. Until next time, everyone, have a great day.